Hello everyone and welcome to Virtual Flight Premises here in Barcelona. If you've landed in this video, it means that you are interested in our G1000 flight simulator. You can be either a flight sim enthusiast, a cockpit builder, a professional flight school, and you will still have a form to enjoy our G1000 flight simulator. You are actually looking at an exact replica of a G1000. What we actually did was to rent a Cessna 172 and a 182, and we copied exactly the same rotaries, all the same functionalities, the sensation of the touch of all the buttons and rotaries for you to have an exact G1000 to train for. In this video specifically, I want to show you the 4 different forms that you can fly this G1000 depending on the type of customer that you are. So what you have here in this case, as we said, is an X-Plane 172 running, and you connect the computer to the G1000 hardware. As you can see here, we have the Cessna 172 G1000, and exactly what you are seeing on the X-Plane airplane, you are going to see on our G1000 hardware. Now, this solution in this case is exactly for flight simmers that already have a computer that is running either P3D, X-Plane or FSX. So what you have here in this case, you can have PFD, MFD. As you know, like the real aircraft, you can change to both PFDs that you have reflected here. And a very good thing that our G1000 hardware has is the backlighting. So as you can see in this case, we have the backlighting here that replicates exactly what we are having in the G1000. So all the backlighting that we have here is absolutely functional. In terms of functionality, our G1000 works with third parties. So in this case, it does exactly what the X-Plane G1000 does. If you're working with a P3D computer, you will be using our third-party Flight One Tech. Okay, so now we're going to see one of the forms, one of the ways that you can enjoy our G1000 flight simulator, especially for those who are flight sim enthusiasts and cockpit builders as well. So apart from the 2 ways of using the G1000 flight simulator that we've seen before, for flight sim enthusiasts and for cockpit builders at home, we have also, and the most important, is the G1000 for professional flight schools and professional flight trainers. In this case, this is one of the ways that we can use it. This is called the PC Trainer Desktop. It's a turnkey solution for flight schools and for students at first stages and also advanced stages to practice their G1000 once they are about to go into the real aircraft itself. In this case, this is what you're going to be delivered if you're a flight school together with a small joystick. And in this case, you can practice all functionalities of the G1000 because it works together with the PC trainer by Garmin itself. Everything that you can use on the real G1000 aircraft, you will be able to practice beforehand in this PC trainer desktop solution. It's very important to understand that the difference between this and the flight simulators we've seen before is that this doesn't actually replicate flight performance of an aircraft. It just replicates all the procedures, and it's basically a trainer for the student to be all day practicing and then have a very good transition from this simulation to the actual aircraft itself. So we have seen the G1000 and its use as a flight sim enthusiast and also as a cockpit builder. In this case, as a professional flight school or a professional flight training center, what you can use is not only what we just saw, which is the PC trainer turnkey solution, but also this itself. In this case, this is a Solo Pro G1, which is a certified flight simulator, certified by the FAA as an AATD. And in this case, we use the G1000 screens, the ones that we manufacture here in Spain and that we've seen before. So the PFD, MFD and Audio Panel. 100% functionalities as all the other solutions. And in this case, it is a full flight deck solution. So as you can see, we have the chair, the Vernio, the YOKO. And our G1000 is used not only in the certified Solo Pro G1, but also in all our static and full motion simulators that we ship worldwide every month. So this is the latest product that I wanted to show you, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any more doubts or any questions about this, remember to visit us at virtue-fly.com or contact us at info@virtue-fly.com. I'm gonna go flying now and have some fun, so I'll see you in the next one.